Hey everybody, I'm Jake. Welcome to today's thing. So I was cruising around Facebook, doing normal Facebook things. Came across ATV group, joined it. Somebody asked about cleaning stuff, cleaning your quads, cleaning your toys, whatever. And people kept talking about booty juice.
Booty juice?
Familiar with it? I'd never heard of it. Looked it up. It's a real thing. I'll give you the recipe. Anyways, I went out, got myself some booty juice ingredients. Yep, the booty juice ingredients. So, I'm gonna do it like it says. Hi, Vince. Hi. You want some booty juice too? Yeah. So, if you didn't see the last video for the Big Bear, we did a real test and tune on it. Real shakedown. She's filthy, absolutely filthy. Yeah, go watch the rest of that last video. It's pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna use the booty juice now and see if it cleans like everybody says it cleans. I don't know. They say spray it on, mix it up, spray it on, leave it for 5-10 minutes, spray it off. That's all you gotta do. Well, we'll see. All right, I'm gonna get mixing. All right, so for this recipe, Zep Industrial Purple Degreaser, Tide, and a gallon jug. Sprayer. I want a sprayer because that's easier. I'm going to mix 20 ounces, the rest with water. That's supposed to be the secret sauce, so we'll see. For those who don't know, I didn't. 20 ounces is 2.5 cups. Wow, this seems like a lot of soap. Zap. Oh, my bag back right there. I'm gonna fill the rest of this up with water. See you in a second. Chuck, see, we got a boatload of cattails stuck in this thing. Hi, you like to be in my personal space. Yeah, you do, don't you? Yeah. I'm gonna spend a few minutes pulling the cattails out of here, I think. Okay, guess that's that. Alright, it says spray it down. Mitchie, go lay down. Oh, you don't use booty juice? Oh, huh, too bad. Alright, she's been juiced. So set it, let it cook for about 5 minutes. see how it's quiet when you stop spraying? That's why I like electric sprayers. Aren't quite as powerful. Aren't quite as powerful, but I do like how they just shut up when you're done. Some of the stuff just doesn't come off. It's just fine. But man, I'll tell you what, I'll blow back. Tell you what, I think y'all around to something with this booty juice. Let's see how this works. Get in there. There's off. Let's try not off. So good for about 5 minutes. We'll come back and clean it off. Hopefully we get 5 minutes before it rains. Booty juice. Legit. So I'll never tell you what to do with your booty juice. But foam cannon works a lot better. It really cleaned up that one. Yeah. I think I'm a believer in the booty juice. It's a good product. Gotta mix it yourself. It's a good product. Okay. See you on the next thing. Right, guys? Huh? Yeah. You like booty juice? Okay, goodbye.